Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Control of the US Congress is at stake in November's midterm elections along with President Joe Biden's remaining policy agenda. Republicans stand a strong chance of taking control of the US House of Representatives, while Democrats have more hope of retaining a majority in the Senate. A Republican House will be enough to derail mass legislation Biden and his fellow Democrats want to enact, as well as likely spurring a wave of new congressional probes of the administration. The party in power typically loses House seats during the first four-year term of a new president. Democratic President Barack Obama's party lost a devastating 63 seats in the 2010 election during his first term. In 2018, 2 years into Donald Trump's presidency, the Republican Party gave up 41 House seats. In both cases, control of the chamber flipped. This year, Republicans need only to gain 4 seats in the November 8 elections to assume the majority in the 43-member chamber. Their prospect of winning the seats have been exchanged through gerrymandering, the practice by which one party manipulates congressional district lines to adhere its own power during the once a decade redistricting process. Republicans have much-less advantageous new map stroke state hosts they control, including in Texas and Florida, while Democrats in New York saw their own aggressive map invalidated by the state's high court. Fewer than 35 House races are favored by election analysts as true toss-ups in November, according to an aggregate of leading election analysts. Some Democrats head for the door. House Democrats, fearing a Republican takeover, have sprinted for the exits. 31 House Democrats have announced they are retiring or seeking other office, the most for the party since 20. Republicans need to gain only 1 seat to take control of the U.S. Senate, which is currently divided 50 with Vice President Kamala Harris as the tie-breaking vote. But battle-tested Democratic incumbents in Arizona, Georgia, and Nevada may help the party hold on to those seats, while Republicans could surrender seats in Pennsylvania and Wisconsin, two states that voted for Biden over Trump in the 2020 election. On the other hand, a Republican wave could result in all 2 seats going that party's way, along perhaps with Colorado and New Hampshire. While Biden is not on the November ballot, midterms frequently serve as a referendum on the president. Biden's popularity rebounded slightly over the summer after a series of policy victories and some improved economic news, but he still remains underwater with the American public. Less than half of the country, 38%, approves of his performance, according to a Reuters or Alpos poll conducted August 28, 30, that some samples showed that 69% of Americans believe the country is on the wrong track, compared with just 21% who said it was on the right track. Trump also is not on the ballot, but he has successfully backed a slate of like-minded candidates as he attempts to remain the de facto leader of his party ahead of another possible White House bid in 2024. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.